when our ancestors journeyed from Hawaiki across Te Moananui-a-Kiwa. The sharks were a part of their navigational support and system which assured them safe passage while voyaging. This year's trophies acknowledge this and come in the form of a stylized shark fin. It's a cultural symbol of navigational supremacy, excellence and focus, which is some of the skills the teams and drivers aspire to. This year's trophies are created from the native tree Taupo red beech, which comes from the Kaimanawa Ranges at the southern end of the lake. They are of ancient origins. I'm honoured to work with other local wood experts from Taupo, Robbie Graham and Mike Cudby, in producing these concepts. Within it can be seen a pattern that represents the maunga or mountain Tauhara. Tauhara being a part of what tangata whenua, people of the land, call Ngā Kahui Maunga, a cloak of mountain ranges that surround us. A guardian figurehead is featured at the tip of the shark fin, which depicts the geothermal resource that comes from within the earth and the mountains of our region.